and it's still pretty hot. You can see the steam. Oh yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to Vegas Vixen in the kitchen, quarantine edition, and today we are going to be doing a sugarless oatmeal cookie. So let's get started by listing all of our ingredients. We have 2 cups of quick oats, 6 ounces of peanut butter, 3 ripe bananas, some honey to drizzle, and last but not least, some semi-sweet chocolate chips, and you will need about 1/3 of a cup. So now we're gonna go mix up all the ingredients. All right, so I have 3 bananas that I mashed with a fork, and this is the consistency you're looking for. And then I'm going to throw in the 2 cups of quick oats, the 6 ounces of peanut butter, and then we're gonna drizzle a little bit of honey. I just did a little bit of a drizzle. I honestly don't even think you need the honey. And then I'm going to mix it all. And now you don't feel guilty eating this because there's no sugar. I mean, there's a little bit in the honey, but not a lot. And now that it's all mixed in, I'm gonna toss in our chocolate chip. And that's it. And now we're going to shape them and put them on the baking sheet. And I lined these with parchment paper. And then I have the oven preheated to 350. And then we're gonna bake them. I'm gonna get 2 spoons to shape them. And they don't move, or they don't change in size when you bake them, because there's no baking powder or baking soda. And then those are ready to go into the oven for 12 to 15 minutes at 350 degrees. All right, so it's been about 15 minutes now, and I'm gonna take out the cookies. They smell so good. Couldn't find my thing or my mittens, so I just used this towel. All right, so now I'm gonna try this, and it's still pretty hot. You can see the steam. Oh yeah. It's super moist, and the sweetness is just perfect. Well guys, I hope you guys like this sugarless recipe. Ooh, almost choked there. Well, like I said, I hope you guys like this recipe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, let me know what you think. Subscribe and share on your social media. See you next time. I hope you guys like this recipe. Oh my gosh. So actually I worded that wrong. I should say,